I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting your canvas and assets ready so nothing interrupts the flow. First, open Canva and create a design with the size you need, then upload the photo you want text behind. Next, add your text block and pick a strong, readable font so the result shows through. Once the text is placed roughly where you want it, make sure the image is on the same page and unlocked. This prepares both layers for the next positioning steps. Now you'll perform the core layering and adjustments. Select the image and use position, then choose Send to Back so your text sits above it. This is how the text appears in front while the image becomes a background. Once done, tweak text size, letter spacing, and line height to avoid overlap issues. Make sure to adjust the image's brightness, contrast, or transparency so the text remains legible. Subtle filters, or a 10-30%, finish by refining readability and exporting your work. Group the text and image if you'll move them together, and add subtle effects like shadow or an outline on the text for extra clarity. You can also place a semi-opaque shape behind text for contrast. Once satisfied, export as PNG, JPG, or PDF depending on use. If text disappears or looks wrong, make sure the text layer is above the image and increase the image's contrast or lower its opacity to restore clear separation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.